Hey everyone, if your Excalidraw collaboration link is not working, participants can't join your session, the link opens a blank page, or real-time collaboration fails to start, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw collaboration link problems in 2026. First, verify that the collaboration link was copied correctly. Even a small error or missing character can prevent users from joining the session successfully. Next, try opening the collaboration link yourself in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps determine whether the problem is with the link itself or your browser environment. Another common fix is generating a brand new collaboration link. Sometimes a fresh session can resolve issues caused by expired or corrupted collaboration data. You should also check your internet connection. Excalidraw collaboration relies on real-time communication, and unstable connections can prevent users from joining or syncing changes. Another helpful step is refreshing the page and recreating the collaboration session before sharing the link again. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can create compatibility issues with real-time collaboration features. If participants receive loading errors, ask them to clear their browser cache and cookies before attempting to join again. And that's how to fix Excalidraw collaboration link not working problems in 2026. In most cases, regenerating the link, updating your browser, checking network settings, and disabling conflicting extensions will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.